Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. Today is Friday, December 23rd. So this is the last trading day before Christmas, and I won't trade again until Tuesday. So I have the RipperOne, and looks like we took a loss right out of the gate. So 1 minute after the open, took a loss right away. Same settings as yesterday. 20 tick profits. Stop, 5 tick trailing stop, and then no target. So I'm gonna run it just like yesterday. So once it takes a trade, it'll just keep going, and then the trailing stop will follow along. First one was definitely a losing trade because it totally went against the trade, so already negative. I'm gonna go ahead and go for that $1,000 today, and see where we end up today. I think yesterday might have been beginner's luck because it always happens like that. Like on the first day, everything works great, right? So I want to see how day 2 looks like for me. Again, I don't know how long this video is gonna be, so if it starts getting long, I'll mute myself and then come back. And then once I get close to that 1,000, if I get close to 1,000, I should say, then I'll lock in that profit and then shut it down. So I won't be talking much beyond that. So if you see an abrupt ending, that's kind of what's happening, because once I reach the target, I like to just be done. All right, so we're in the trade now. It's trailing, so let's see if we get out of this. We almost got stopped out, and we're moving right along. So this is gonna be a nice trade. Okay, folks, I don't know if you saw, but I do have a setting here where if it takes a loss, which we did, our very first trade was a loss, the next trade, it doubles the number of contracts. So what I did, I started out with 2, because this version of this bot has 2, until I upgraded, but for today it's 2. So after the losing trade, then it did 4 contracts. So it not only gained back what we lost, we picked up a positive $600. So that's the idea. And I forget the name of the feature. It's not DRAM, but it's something not similar, but functions similarly, that it helps you recover after a loss. So $600 right here. If this is your daily goal, you would just be done and call it a day. This would be your 600 for the day. But as you know me, I should just stop, but I don't. I like to go for the larger goal. I like to push that $1,000 on the top end. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't come back to bite me, because $600 on a Friday in like a couple minutes is pretty awesome. But we'll see where we end up today. So just remember, folks, there is no trading on Monday. So that is Christmas Day observed as a holiday on Monday, as it relates to the financial markets. So banks are closed, post office, markets closed. So the earliest you can trade is that the afternoon open, which is like at 5 Central, I believe. You could trade then. I'm not sure I'm going to, because after a Christmas holiday, I don't know how active the market's going to be. So I'm going to wait till actually Tuesday morning before I take any trades. Okay, we're on our and we took another loss. Okay, guys, I got stopped out, and look at that. Oh man, look at that. Oh, dang it. Dang, we missed it. Okay, so I got stopped out, and so I had a 5 tick trailing stop. I think what I might do next time, give it a couple more ticks. So I think I might do trend plus 2. So in this case, it would be 7. So I think I'm gonna give it a 7 tick trailing stop next time, because had I had just another tick, we would have had a nice runner, and we would have been done for the morning. Look at that. We missed a huge move. and I got stopped early. So the bot, I almost called it a robot, but I guess it is. The bot took the trade in the right direction. It was going our way, and just a slight pullback early in the trade got us. So still positive, 380, but gave up some of that profit right on that trade. So I don't know. I'm kind of nervous now. I'm like, oh shoot, what did I do? Should have kept my 600, but we're still in profit territory. So hey, let's keep going, and let's see what this morning looks like. Yeah. So just like I was saying, I'll trade on Tuesday. I doubt I'll do a Monday night trade. I just not after a holiday. I don't anticipate there'll be much activity like a normal Sunday might be, but it's a Monday evening after a holiday. I'm not gonna trade, and then the rest of the week we'll see. Okay, we're on our trade. Let's see where we end up on this guy. And took. Well, we were moving along, but then again we got stopped. So I'm at 255. So still profitable, but kind of got a couple setbacks this last couple of trades. So just goes to show that no software is going to be perfect, but we're not looking for perfection. We're trying to get to our daily goal, and if we get there, I'm sure the stats are going to look that great. Like the percent profitable and all that stuff. Like I said, I post it so you can see that these are legit trades. So you can see the profit and the loss, and it's time stamped. But I really focus whether I make goal or not. That's the really important part. So don't get too hung up on, oh, is it 90% accurate? Is it 80%, 70%? It doesn't really matter, because what matters is, did you meet your goal or not? That's really what it comes down to. So we're just gonna keep on going. I'm gonna mute myself until I see another trade coming, and then I will unmute and talk about the trade. So talk to you in a sec. Oh wow! I guess I muted too fast. Look at that! Got another trade going. All right, so far so good. Got a little bit of movement. We're about break even, and we just move just slightly above break even, and see if we can still catch a move. Okay, well, we're making progress. We're back. We're back in the game. Let's see whether 320. Hey, so we're slowly catching back up. I got stopped out on this last trade, but it was a profitable trade, so we're up at 320. All right, so I'll mute myself. Okay, just thought of something. Even though it's $320, one might be tempted to feel disappointed. But if you think about it, we've been trading for about 9 minutes and made $320. So I don't know what job you could have that in 9 minutes you can make $320. So this is pretty cool. That's what futures trading can do for us. It gives us an opportunity to make money with minimal effort, minimal time, but we do have to be patient, and sometimes you gotta take your profit when you can, and I didn't. I was up 600. Now I'm up 320, but still in the positive. So far, we're in, I don't know, about 10 minutes or so this morning, and 320 bucks. So let's see, if we can catch a move. Oh man, come on. All right. Well, we'll see. Let's see where we end up. But just want to wish you all a great holiday, Christmas. If you don't celebrate, that's cool too. But just want to wish everybody a great weekend. Hope you have a great time with your family. Enjoy the season. And, once I'm done this morning, I'm going to be done and start getting ready for the weekend. But um, yeah, looking forward to next week. Looking forward to the next year. And then let's see. Come on. Let's see if we can get a trade right here so we can be done. There we are. Look at that. All right. And okay, waiting for the trailing stop to move. And there we are. And we got a nice move. And okay, it's moving up. There we go. All right, I'm going to move this manually because I'm going to lock my profit and just call it a morning. All right, folks, that's it. Have a great day.